We know that the world extends outside the frame that we choose to show the viewer. You have to decide what you include in the frame for the viewer to see. Generally speaking, getting closer, filling the frame is more visually interesting than not doing that. How you decide what you include depends on what's called the focus of your story. The focus has a specific meaning in information programming. It means someone doing something for a reason. So most of your images should have that person or what they are doing in them. In this case, the subject is confused. There's too many possibilities in this photo. This is a little better, but still not sure if the story is about the guy in the green or the guy in the yellow. Here's another example. It's likely that the subject of this story is the girl in the pink. But this is much better, and you don't lose the atmosphere of the environment of the school that they're in. This subject is very clear, as is this one. Focus means we'll be taking pictures of people. That will be our subject. You should usually be thinking about a human subject. People relate to people, and that's just good television. Also keep in mind something called aspect ratio, which is the ratio of the width of the picture to the height of the picture. For most of our productions, that's going to be a high definition aspect ratio of 16 units by 9 units. But a lot of broadcasters still use standard definition, which is 4 units by 3 units. Since some broadcasters, and BCIT in particular, still broadcast in standard definition, you will really be shooting 2 frames at once, a 16 by 9 and a 4 by 3. Luckily, the HPX 300 cameras that we use have the ability to show you a 4 by 3 frame inside the 16 by 9 frame, so you can create framing for both at the same time. The physical harmony ideas we've seen of the golden ratio and the Fibonacci sequence lead to dividing the frame of images like this, with 4 points of highest visual interest. This works for both the 16 by 9 high definition frame and the 4 by 3 standard definition frame. And if you're shooting high definition using the 4 by 3 safe area in BCIT's HPX cameras, both the grids line up pretty close. So shooting with your subject on the 16 by 9 points is close to the 4 by 3 points.